Want to create some storytelling using AI? This video is for you. We enter a website called DreamPress. You get a 30-minute free trial when you sign up for the first time. To get the full experience, you'll need to buy the premium version using the link in the description. Now let's write our story. We can customize the characters. Choose the thumbnail for our story. And select the intro. Then, we listen to the result.
The stone beneath his boots was slick, and not just with evening dew. Actagon leaned on his sword, the tip grating against fractured masonry. Actagon's carefully rehearsed plea disintegrated in his throat, leaving only the raw truth.
Next, we move on to the next chapter and choose one of the options to optimize the story. We can also read stories from other creators. For example, I'll choose The Forbidden Fruit. Of course, you can like the story, share it, or even remix it. And that's it. Happy New Year to everyone. And see you soon.